Thank you for being a friend. If it's a car you like, I'll surely buy you a Cadillac. Whatever you need, any time of the day or night. I'm not ashamed to say, I hope it always will stay this way. My hat is off, won't you stand up and say goodbye? When we both get older, walking canes are here okay. No fear and no wish not to hear. I will stand real close and say thank you for being a friend. 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 And when we die and flew away into the night, the Milky Way, you hear me call as we sing. I'll see you there once again. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a friend. 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 Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Saltfingers again with you with part 2 of my classic song from Andrew Gold, Thank You for Being a Friend, transcribed from the piano over to the guitar. Okay then, so taking over from part 1, where we did the intro, a couple of verses, bridge section and the chorus with some little run bits in there. This second part started off coming out of the first chorus and going into the first rundown. Which is where I ended the first lesson. Okay, so then it goes into the third verse, which is exactly the same to play as the first verse and the second verse also. Okay, so after it does the rundown, do the rundown as usual. Straight into the verse. If it's a car you like, I'll call you a Cadillac. Whatever you need, any time of the day. And that same as the first verse. Again, the second verse the same. And they're ashamed to say, I hope it always will stay this way. My hat is off, won't you stand at the table bound? Now the bridge section exactly the same, different words. And when we both get older, walking canes and hair of grey, I know fear there is hard to hear. I will stand real close and say, thank you for being the friend. Of course the same. Thank you for being, except there's two choruses, one after the other. Thank you for being a friend. 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 And when now this is where it changes, the end section. Okay, so coming out of that last chorus bit, thank you for being a friend. Ba, ba, ba. So a few downstrokes on the A. Thank you for being a friend. And then a big stab on the A chord. And then you go up to the 5th string on the 4th fret. The A string, 4th fret, and then the 2nd fret of the 4th string. So, and that's, and when we die. Okay. Alright. So, coming out of that, and when we die. Okay, and this is G6. It's an F-shaped chord on the 3rd fret from the capo, and I'm adding my pinky to the 5th fret from the capo on the 2nd string, the B string, and I'm playing the first 4 strings, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's when we die. That's F sharp minor. You can play as a bar chord if you want. I'm playing a simple version. First 3 strings on the 2nd fret, barring the 1st finger, and then the 4th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string. So, and when we die and float away into the night. That's an F major 7th. Okay. Okay, so that's an F chord with the bar lifted off. The top E string is open. So take the bar off. Just first on the 2nd there, 2nd on the 3rd, and 3rd fret of the 4th string. You want to do a 4-fingered version, just move that finger up, like I do. That 3rd finger goes up to the 3rd fret of the 5th string, the A string, and the pinky goes on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, and go from 5 down to 1. Then you've got a 5-fingered F major 7th, okay? So, from this, you thank you for being a friend, and when we die and float away into the night, back to A, and then you do another one. You'll hear me, just like you did that to start it off. You do it again, strident sort of strum on the A, and then that 4th fret of the 5th string, 2nd fret of the 4th. You'll hear me, F to the G6 again. Call as we ascend. I see you there. Follows the same chords again, and then once again stop. Thank you for being a friend, and then it does that riff again. That right, that one that goes. That one again goes that again. Right, so let's go through this bit again. So coming out of this chorus section, thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. And when we die and float away into the night, the Milky Way, you'll hear me call as we ascend. I'll see you there, and once again, thank you for being a friend. And repeat the whole thing, that whole riff. Choruses. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Repeat the chorus. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being. Now the end riff again. Just finished it like that. Okay, just that riff again, and the down progression riff, and then stops on the A. End of song. Okay, so just for fun, I'm going to try and go through the whole thing. Right, there we go. Thank you for being a friend. I've travelled down the road and back again. God is true and your power and confidence. I'm not ashamed to say, I hope it always will stay this way. That's up to you, that you stand and take a bow. And if you threw a party, invite everyone you know, you could see the biggest kick from me, and the commentators would say, thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. If it's a car you like, and you should ride in a Cadillac, whatever you need any time of the day or night. I'm not ashamed to say, I'm not the hopeless would stay this way. My hat is on, won't you stand up and take a bow? And when we both get older, walking cans and hair of grey, I've no fear that it's hard to hear, and I'll stand real close and say, thank you for being a friend. 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 I want to fly into the night. As we ascend, I see you there, once again. Thank you for being a friend. 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 Yes, but thank you for friend. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Close. It wasn't too bad. Yeah. Thanks very much for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed that. It's a really nice song to play. Thanks very much, and I'll see you hopefully in the next lesson. Bye for now.